Did you know many people are having trouble with error messages on a Zebra ZM400 printer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Power off printer. Power off your Zebra ZM400 label printer to begin the error reset process. Step 2. Inspect setup. Check for any misalignments. Ensure the media and ribbon are installed properly. Step 3. Calibrate sensors. Perform a sensor calibration to ensure the printer detects labels accurately. Step 4. Restore settings. Restore the printer to factory default settings through its setup menu. Step 5. Run self-test. Turn on the printer and run a self-test to confirm it's error-free. After following these steps, your Zebra ZM400 should be free of error messages. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Zebra users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.